All right, so I got the tree all trimmed down, hacked down to nothing basically. And all the stuff I blew out into the yard and Scout's finished. He's just going over it and chopping it up. Got the flat down. And he's just gonna make this stuff disappear. Some of it you can see is pretty good sized stuff, but it is what it is. See what I mean? Don't run over the blower, boy. You can see this little bit of stuff here. Couple leaves. How you get it to go away and I have to haul it. Go ahead, finish. Now he's got from here to finish. And then the same thing over there. Just that little bit of sections. I know it's hard to see. It's all weeds. And this property is done. Once we get done with this. He's already blown off the driveways and all that stuff, so we out of here. Later.